So you drank the starter box. How did it make you feel? What happened?
Well, I noticed a change. I had more energy on my job. I said, "Whoa, I felt the whole difference in my whole being." To be honest, energy wise and my well being, as far as my mindset and thought frame, and getting up, and because when I used to get up kind of like not droggy, but I, I wasn't too um, pleased with it, and I was getting up lot much better after I had taken it one by one. You know, the Noni Plus, then this. To follow the instructions, whatever. It came out. I'm pleased. I was pleased.
So now you're 66, you're looking to purchase another starter. Are you trying to gift somebody's gift? You're trying to family
I,
member?
to be honest, I'm trying to. My wife, I might mention it to you. She has a kidney transplant, and she's taking a lot of medicines, and her energy is low, and just things of that nature. And I just felt that it would help her, but she's not on the taste.
Well, thanks so much. You're 66, so we're going to give you that code so you could save some money for your family. Also, we have another cleanse that is capsule
Okay.
based. This is a 7 to 21 day cleanse, right?
Yes.
This one doesn't have the taste issues, and it's been in the world for over 40 years. It's one of the best in
Okay.
the market. So I'm going to send that to you also, and it will be powerful. It blends good with medication because it's been in the business for so many years. It's just natural herbs, right?
Okay. Yes.
So this guy here will clean the worms. And even for you, after this, I would recommend something called a CKLS. So what we do with our clients is you do one clean, then we give you another one and another.
Okay.
Over the year, you're supposed to have three cleanse to do that U-turn.
Okay.
So it's a constant cleaning with different techniques. And
Oh,
this is
okay.
one of the, it's seven, any cleaning for the body has to be 7 to 21 days, but it includes olive oil. So this one is called a whole body cleanse. So you could get this for your wife and she won't have to worry about the taste and it will do some real deep cleaning for her. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
All right. So
Number again is 929-314-0106. Email us at info@jamaicahealthbox.com.